In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Xbox Store through the App Store, and we'll do this in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up your Xbox experience for the first time, or simply want an easy way to access your favorite games, this guide will help you get there seamlessly. First things first, grab your device and go ahead and open the App Store. Make sure you're connected to the internet, as this will be necessary for downloading apps and updates. If you're not familiar with the App Store, look for its blue icon with a white A on your home screen. Once you tap on it, the vibrant world of apps will unveil right before your eyes. Next, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see several tabs. They typically include Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, and an essential one for today, Search. Tap the Search tab. This is your gateway to finding thousands of different apps, including the one we need for accessing the Xbox Store. In the search bar at the top, type Xbox. Now, a little tip here, make sure your spelling is correct, and keep an eye out for suggestions that pop up as you type. Once you've entered the word, hit the search button. Within seconds, you'll be presented with results related to your search. Among these results, look for the Xbox app developed by Microsoft. This app is your key to unlocking a multitude of Xbox features directly from your device. Simply tap on the result to view more details about the app. You'll see information like the app's rating, reviews, and screen captures showcasing its capabilities. Once you've found the Xbox app, it's time to download it. To do this, just hit the download button, the one that looks like a cloud with a downward pointing arrow if you've previously downloaded it, or the get button if you haven't. Depending on your device's settings, you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or confirm with Face ID or Touch ID. Go ahead and do that, then let your device work its magic. After the app has successfully downloaded and installed, the next step is to open it. Locate the Xbox app on your device, either by finding it on your home screen or tapping open directly from the App Store. Once opened, the app will guide you through a brief setup process, possibly asking you to sign in with your Microsoft account. This account gives you access to the Xbox Store and its myriad of features, including browsing games, managing your Xbox account, and connecting with friends. And there you have it. You've now got all the tools you need to dive into the Xbox Store directly from your mobile device. Enjoy browsing and downloading your favorite games, and make the most out of your Xbox experience. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.